So we've arrived at table 10.3. So this table has to do a lot with vocabulary. There's not too much grammar involved here. The title of it is Words Used for Past Time and Future Time. So we talked about in the previous lesson using present continuous to talk about the future, right? And we had an example similar to, um, let's see here. I am visiting my grandmother. Now, if we look at this, I am visiting my grandmother. Um, this is in the present continuous, right? We have everything that we need for it to be in our present continuous. We have the verb to be, right? We have the verb visit plus ing. So this is present continuous. Now, we talked about words that can indicate otherwise. So if I just copy this down here, okay, not that. Okay, let me just write it again. I am visiting my grandmother. But this time, what if I say I'm visiting my grandmother tomorrow? Right now we have a word that can indicate another time here for us. We have the word tomorrow. And so now this is the future. It is still present continuous, but now it is present continuous talking about the future. Now, similarly, there are many words that can be used to help us understand the time. In the first example, we could also say something like, I am visiting my grandmother. You know, in the event that somebody called you, you could say, I am visiting my grandmother right now. Now, with this right now, this is again another word that will help us know what time we're talking about. In this case, it is present continuous. This one is present continuous talking about the future time. And in the same way, we have different words that help us understand what time. So, that being said, let's go over some of them. We have a column for the past. We also have a column for the future time. Let's go with blue. Okay, so if we're talking about the past, we would say something like yesterday. The future is tomorrow. We can say yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, last night. And we have equivalents in the future. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. We have expressions with last and expressions with next. Last week, last month, last year. Next week, next month, next year. We also have this expression to say how long it has been, how much time has happened. This video, for example, should have started, let me see if I have some details here, should have started 4 minutes ago. So 4 minutes ago, that's how much time has passed. And we can say that the next class or the next video is going to be in 5 minutes. So we have the past, so many minutes ago, so many hours ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago, and in the future, I'm going to celebrate New Year's around, or I'm going to celebrate New Year's in, let's say, in 20 days. So, whenever you are listening or reading, it's important to keep an ear out for these expressions. Also, when you are writing or speaking, you can include these expressions to help the message be more clear.